Good morning, I'm Tarneshia. Welcome to Lewis Ginter Botanical Garden Virtual Storytime. Today, I'm going to read Flower Garden by Eve Bunting, a story about a little girl who is going to give her mother flowers as a gift. Do you like to give your mother flowers? Did you just give your mom flowers on Mother's Day? Well, let's find out why she's giving her mom flowers. Flower Garden by Eve Bunting. Garden in a shopping cart. Doesn't it look great? Garden on the checkout stand. I can hardly wait. Garden in a cardboard box. Walking to the bus. Garden sitting on our laps. People smile at us. Do flowers make you smile? They make me smile. Garden going up the stairs, stopping at each floor. Do you see something following behind the girl? What is it? It's a cat. I wonder if it's her cat or not. What do you think? This garden's getting heavier. At last, our own front door. She looks tired. Where's the cat? It's looking at her kind of funny. Do you think it's her cat? I don't know. Hurry, hurry. Get the trowel. Spread the papers thick. Get the bag of potting soil. Get the planting mix. Put purple pansies at each end, daisies white as snow, daffodils, geraniums, and tulips in a row. Some of these are my favorite flowers. Garden in a window box, high above the street. That is her cat, after all. Where butterflies can stop and rest and ladybugs can meet. You guys see the ladybug on her fan? Walkers walking down below will lift their heads and see purple, yellow, red, and white, a color jamboree. She's looking out the window. She sees someone. Remember, these flowers were for her mom, right? So where do you think that's her mom right there? Let's find out. Candles on a birthday cake, chocolate ice cream too. There's her mom coming in. Happy, happy birthday, Mom. A garden box for you. Her mom looks so happy and she's smiling. Those flowers are making her happy. The end. Stay tuned for the activities portion of Storytime. Welcome back, friends, to the activities portion of Storytime. So today we are going to do some flower art. Well, we can say drawing with flowers or painting with flowers. What you'll need for this is a rock. I got some white paper and I picked some flowers that I saw on the ground on my way over here. So this activity basically is called petal pounding. And I'm going to lay this dandelion on the paper and we're gonna take this rock and I'm gonna pound. Is it loud? Yep, it's loud. And look at that. I got a pretty shade of yellow. Next, I picked some pink flowers I saw. I'm gonna put them down here. And I'm gonna take my rock again. Friends, be careful with your fingers. This is so pretty. And I'm going to do this one. Now after you have pounded on your petals, you can actually take this flower and you can draw with it. So now I have yellow on my paper and I have some purple. I picked one more. I have an orange flower. Let's see if we can get some orange in our paper. I'm gonna take my rock. I'm gonna pound this orange flower. It's loud, right? You can do this on a table or on the ground, but you need a flat surface. Oh, and there we go. I even got a cool little design. So this is a fun way to do some science, nature, and art with flowers. Friends, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed our story and activity. Last week, we celebrated National Public Gardens Week. Our story today reminds us that we can enjoy a garden anywhere. Where is your favorite garden? It could be a community garden, a garden at your grandparents' house, or your own house. Let us know. We love hearing from you. Thanks for letting me read to you today. See you next time.